Nobody want to see no shit when them turn around behind. I have sex with you all of a sudden them see shit in your body wall. No turn off that. That is a big, that disgusting, you know. The dog would have take off her panty, and when him take off the panty, a beer shit stayed in the drawers. Yeah! The dog can't even stand up. Him cocky dead same time. You understand? Him something they kill vibes. Hey guys, it's your girl Jamaican Pineapple and welcome to the next series of 2 Cents with Pineapple. So as we know, said that the car series, you understand? So the next DM when we get is like somebody tell me say this guy I run back car for more than 5-6 months. The boy the back car one date her and whatever. So she said boom and give him a chance. And them go on a date, and you know them a meet each other up like regular now. And then after the first time them have sex, the man disappear. Where she fit think? She said after the first time, she said this guy did a pursue her, like he was always wanting to see her and all of them things there. But after the first time, after 6 months when she came the nookie, the man disappear. She don't know how she feel bad in herself. She don't know what she feel do. She don't know how she depressed right now. So 2 things is either this boy, you know some man, then just back at you because them want your pum pum. And when them get your pum pum, them are gonna leave next to the next person where them are look. Because them always, men like those always have a series of women where them are try for fuck. Yeah? So you were just one on the list. It's either that, yeah? Or indeed really like you, but after the sex is either your pussy stink or your pussy big, or something wrong with him, that is just a fucking asshole. Yeah? Alright. Say, for instance now, you want find out if I stink your pussy stink. All you have to do, people, because them some days a big turn off, you know. When you don't have good hygiene, no matter how a person like you, if you don't have no good hygiene, boy, that is a big turn off. That is a big turn off for male. I mean, also some girl can stink for true. So, moms, what I tell us if you do now is go in the bathroom and take off your drawers and put your finger, insert up your finger in your vagina and put it in your nose hole and inhale the scent. And if you don't, drop down. And if the smell good in your own self, and your pussy now lick and kick like Van Damme, your pussy good, the smell good, you don't have nothing, you don't have no scratch, and you're good, you know, so that is a fucking moron. You know that boy there, a idiot, man. You understand? He just did half of your pussy, he just want to fuck, and next to the next candidate. But you see, if you go in the bathroom and you put your finger in your pussy and go so, and the pum pum stink, if the pussy stink, the boy have all right. If you don't want to have nothing to do with you, because me could, yo, one time I go to my ear, one woman house, you know, people. And when the woman open up her foot and me sit down in between the woman foot for the woman do my ear, me have to get up and run away, dog. Because the woman stink like some blood clot foul or something like that. So you see, you You see, if your pussy stink, if your pussy stink and it, make the man run, make the man have. Alright, you need to go and see the doctor. You understand? So is either your pussy stink, or you all big, it not fit for him key not fit to you, so him just run away, or he's just a fucking asshole. But mums, mind over matter, if your pussy stink, that can get fixed. Nothing in a life cannot get fixed. If your pussy stink, go use some vinegar. Sit down over some vinegar, yeah, and with some water and salt, and steam out yourself, and always bathe, and push up your finger in your vagina, and wash it out with water. You understand? Use water for wash out, or open up your vagina and wash out your vagina, and put up your finger in it and wash it out. You understand? If you have a hose, sometimes you can't even use the hose and put the hose underneath and wash out it. Let me tell you that. You get me? Yeah, that can fix. If your pussy big, that can also fix. You know how you stop your you see how you stop your pee-pee? I say you go train your pussy now and train the pussy muscle. So you quint it, you lock it, you open it, you quint it. Or you can buy weights for your vagina as well. Buy weights for your vagina, insert it in your vagina. Put a heel shoes on it and suck it up and lick it down, suck it up. That get fixed too. You understand? Work on them something there and the things we work out good. You get me? Armpit stink. Maybe your nose stink. Maybe your mouth stink. Maybe your butthole stink. You understand? Maybe when you give the man a back shot, you see shit in your butthole. Maybe and that is disgusting. You understand? Maybe when you lick up your foot cheesy. Yeah. All of them something they know have to think about. That's why I say hygiene is very important. It is very important to take your hygiene seriously. Because that's why when you just got the first step, go and go beard, wipe up under your arm, wipe up out on your body, under your body and them something, because shit stain go there on your panty and them something and the man go see it. You understand? Wanna get me? So that is very important to take in consideration, people. Them something that is important to take in consideration, that your ears all clean, your nose clean, your mouth clean, your armpit clean. And then the next man where you have or where you meet, find out really and truly what his intention is. You understand? If you look, you have to ask them straight and say, look here, me not in the foolishness, me want a relationship, or me just there to have sex. Make you know. Because nowadays people can open and be free. Men, don't be afraid to tell the ladies, say, I just a fuck you look, or I just a look for your game. If you don't mean good for the girl, them and just want to fuck them, just make them know, because me know whole heap of girl when no want a relationship, them just want to have fun. So if you don't want to have fun, just make the woman them have fun, because God know. If a man have sex with me, God know. If a man did that look me the whole time, yeah? To tell you the truth, if a meet happen to a man that look me the whole time, and after me have sex with him in runway, I would feel bad. Boy, I would feel bad in myself. It would have frost me out 2, 3, 4 weeks. Me I wonder what. Me I wonder if my pussy stink or if my pussy bigger than them something there. Yeah. That's why I always tell the man them before, you know. So look here. Me not promise no man no title. If you cannot swim, get a life jacket or you go blood clot drown. You understand? That's why when one man approach me and if you don't want to have fun, tell me straight up, say Tika, fuck me a look, or a relationship me a look. Give me that space. Give me that little bit. Fi decide for my own if me want to give you some pussy or not. Don't fool me. Because some of them boy you love fool people and you will get in the trap. Don't set no trap for me and tell me say you want a relationship when it's just some pussy or look. You understand? Now mums, next time, make the man them tell you what them want before you give up your vagina. Because not everything that glitters is gold. You get me? Because some of them can't farm well. Them can't act well. You understand? So it's either your pussy a stink or he's just a fucking asshole. Do not make it stress you out too much. After 1 week, you're good again, muttons. After 1 week, you're good again. You understand? Hold the faith. You get me? So that was 2 cents with pineapple. Yeah, people. My thank you for sending the message them. Come here, get beer message. So we are going to attack them from the car. You don't know. Tell a friend, tell a friend, so Jamaican Pineapple TV is doing 3 cents or 2 cents with pineapple. How much cents?
2 cents.
2 cents! Where you go? I'm out!